You need to hear this if you're a keto enthusiast with a sweet tooth. Let's dive into this low-carb, high-protein pumpkin pie recipe. First up, grab a mixing bowl and toss in 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree. Add half a cup of almond flour. Now, mix in a 1/4 cup of your favorite keto-friendly sweetener. Pause, chuckle. Don't be shy with the cinnamon and nutmeg. Give it a good sprinkle. Next, crack in 2 large eggs and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk it up until it's smoother than a southern drawl. Pour this luscious mix into a greased pie dish. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. Y'all, the smell of this baking will make your kitchen feel like fall came early. Once it's done, let it cool. Then slice yourself a piece of keto heaven. Remember, this pie is not just low carb, it's packed with protein too. Perfect for keeping those keto cravings at bay while giving you a sweet treat. And hey, if you loved this recipe, please like and subscribe for more keto goodness. Thanks for joining me today. Happy baking, y'all!